God, we were in the Boston Public Library, and we have a few elevators. Oh, here's one right here. This is like the elevator at the, whatchamacallit, this is the elevator, similar to the elevator at the, Boston Common Garage.
It's an elevator in Boston.
Public Library with Matthew. Lost focus, there we go. Come on, focus. Oh, this is the non-glass one. Oh my God, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Low level?
Look, custom buttons.
3. Oh, here we go. Thing number 3. Indicators up there. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
This thing is awesome.
Yeah, this is.
Traction.
Why don't they make elevators like this?
It's traction. Oh, yes.
Sorry.
Listen to the motor. Oh my God. This. What?
Oh, it is.
No way. This thing is amazing.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to fix my gloves. There.
This is one of the best elevators I've ever seen all day.
Yeah.
Low level.
We've been riding
One.
elevators all day.
Here we go. Let's see if we look out this somewhat window.
It's an excuse for a window.
Oh my God, this thing is amazing. We
Look
have
at
to
the
get-
ceiling.
Look at the cab. Let's get a cab view. There's Matthew.
There's
Look
a
at the
bed.
ceiling. Look at that light. I like that light.
Yeah, that's a nice light.
Here's your fixtures. Indicator. I'm trying to find a brand on this thing. I don't see a brand.
Probably OTIS.
This thing is a treasure.
That is a beautiful.
Hey, come ride this thing. This thing is awesome.
I'm gonna stop my video right here.
Right here.
That'll be it. That's pretty cool.
Ready? Look at the back. Look at the back. Ready?
Look for my spec.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes. Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
That's pretty cool.
Oh, you saw I saw the counterweight go by.
Yeah.
Dude, what's that motor? See, there it is.
That's.
Oh my God. This is probably a birdcage over here.
Yeah.
This is probably a birdcage over here. See,
Yeah.
yellow is locked.
Yeah, this
One.
probably used to be a birdcage.
You want to try the other one?
Yeah, there's a glass one here.
There's another elevator over here.
There's probably used to be a window here. Watch this. Wait, watch the counterweight. Ready? Here it comes.
I'm not filming, so.
I know. There it goes.
Wow.
This thing is incredible.
Is this? They probably designed this for elevator enthusiasts.
We're at 1. We'll watch it go out again. I have to get a picture of these buttons. These things. This elevator is awesome. They should make more elevators like this.
Yeah.
Alright, and it will close up. And it will close. There it goes, and that's it.